Hi friends, good evening to all. This is Rocky here. First of all, happy Makar Sankranti to all my Telugu fans and everything. Here I enjoyed very well in Baroda. I saw a lot of kites. Here, okay, let's get started into the main topic. Today's topic is how to attend an interview. Basically, several companies calling for interviews for several people. So we will discuss about how to behave, how to be impressive in the interview. We will see in this video. And don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. You will get subscribe button below, and don't forget like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's get it started. First of all, if the company people approach to us, we have to we will receive a call from them. We have to react positively, like who is this, who's the hell is this, who's the hell are you, not like that. Respected sir, madam, like that we have to respond to them. And then the tips, we will discuss about the tips to face an interview in professional level. Okay, remind this one, in professional level. First tip is the CV, or it is commonly called curriculum vitae or resume. You have to build it on your own, because if any questions you'll ask in the interview, you will able to speak to them about your CV. If my friend is there, he made his resume from his friend, and in the interview he didn't answer any questions. That means including his CV also. What the hobbies he is doing, he doesn't know, because his CV was prepared by his friend. So to neglect, to avoid this type of behavior in the interview, you have to make your own CV. Okay, the next point is, what are the documents we have to carry to face an interview. The main thing is, already you know, the CV and the certificates, what the graduation you did, all the certificates, and also the transfer certificate, because the transfer certificate will contains your behavior, satisfactory, excellent, anything. uh, in so many colleges they are accepting the transfer certificate. Otherwise you can show your conduct certificate also, in that also your character will be mentioned. And then all the documents you have to carry, what the graduation, that all, you know, you things all you know. And then the dress, appearing to the interview is very critical point. Casually, all members will wear the formal dresses, and the formal dress, as you know, tuck is very important for facing an interview. The interviewers will be sit somewhat far from you. While entering you, they will observe from top to bottom. For interviewing, the shoes, formal shoes compulsory you have to wear. In formal shoes, black or brown, those are very comfortable. According to your choice, you can select any of them, black or brown. Don't be wear casual shoes or casual dresses. Be formal. The interviewer, the first impression they will get upon of your behavior and your wear, dress dress sense. Okay. And the next point, the voice of you, it should be very convenient. It should be here clearly here to all the interviewers. Interviewer means there is no chance of sitting one or two persons. There will be around four or five persons interviewing you in different angles. Some will ask about attitude questions, some will be asked regional questions, some will be asked general knowledge, all the things. They cover all the things about you. And they have to confirm that this candidate is good for us. So like that you have to behave. For that only, the basic impression is given by you only by your dressing code. And then the next point is language. Communication is very important while facing an interview. Interview, english should be very comfortable. if in case you don't know English, you can be comfortable with your own language. They will ask, is that English comfortable for you? If not possible, no, you can speak your own language, matlab your mother tongue or anything in which you are very comfortable. And then in the while facing an interview, you should be the steady position should be very steady. You have to sit straight and face everything. The eye contact while sitting you, the eye contact should be maintained. Interviewer will be in uh, horizontal. That means you have to see like this, like this, like this. Everyone, you should cover everyone. That means if one question asks from this direction, you have to make a eye contact with that person. After completion of answer, you should be transfer your eye contact to another person. That means that who are going to ask you another question, and you have to say your answer clearly, fluently. That means there is no another question about that answer. It should be very clearly and fluently. That is that. And in every interview, they will ask about the package. Package. Everyone will ask about the package. The package. We have to say what we have to say. If that company is very big company, that means MNC or private or startup company, like that. Package. We should say about the package. What we have to say is what the convenient package that you are giving to me, that will be good, like that. Suppose if you say 20,000, 30,000 per month, like that, they won't be impressed a lot. If you say, sir, as your wish, what you are thinking about my performance, you can give that much package to me. That means I will tell you clearly that I will tell you clearly, according to my performance, you can give what are the expectations you are conclusion. What are the expectations you are thinking about my performance and my knowledge about the subject and the subject group. You can be uh, finalize that my package. And then last, they will ask any doubts. And before the facing of interview, the particular company, just know about some background of that particular company or anything, any organization, social organization, anything. You have to know basic sense, matlab, that means you have to know basic information of that company. What are the facilities they are giving, what are the things we are getting, what are the advantages getting job in this company. We have to think, minimum think about that. Just means they called us, like we will go facing interview. After we get selected, then they will give hard work. They will like shape out. You will get shape out. That much torture you will get. My friends are suffering, some of my friends are suffering like that. So be sharp about facing an interview. Okay friends, these are all my tips for facing an interview. I also faced several interviews. I used these basic tips while facing an interview. Due to some reasons, all my interviews are got rejected. So I thought that no one should not be rejected due to some points. So that I am doing this video for you guys. Be sharp. Interview is not a small thing. Interview is very big thing. It is the basic step for your job or anything. Interview is the first step of your job. It is the game changer in your life. After that you will get anything. So be confident about the interview. If you have any doubts or what the next video to be, please comment below. This is guys, thank you, bye bye now.